Local breakfast.
Only I want cheese.
Okay, take it.
Okay, three meat.
3 meat, 1 cheese.
One. Üç tane et. Bir tane de peynirli var. Oturmaya yok.
Like very beautiful. We can sit here. Then I will show you how she is making. Ekti jaga then. See.
Bir çay ver başları karıştı.
ছেলে খুব সুন্দর এবং এখানে দেখেন তারা ইউনিফর্ম পরে কাজ করতেছে একদম লোকাল তারপরে ইউনিফর্ম করতেছে হাউ আর ইউ
No, wait here.
সি এখানে কফি চাই সব কিছুর ব্যবস্থা আছে মাশাআল্লাহ in short also everything is ready doing breakfast see really very nice very good আসলে খুব সুন্দর শর্টকাট ব্যবস্থার মাঝেও খুব সুন্দর না একদম শর্টকাট
না দেখতে ভালো লাগতেছে এরকম এই ধরনের গুটি গুটি খাবার
ট্রেডিশনাল and very good
looking good.
এখানে ছোট্ট একটা রুম আছে বসার really very nice
Please, maybe you're hungry.
Yeah.
Only fruit.
see they are very hygienic also even it is an open area but they use uniform mashallah
I know.
this is
Red.
roadside
Red color.
Yes.
our car
Arabic.
Oman. This Quran language Oman.
see the
Quran
here.
is same language Oman.
Very beautiful nature, very beautiful. Really very beautiful nature. Very cold and even it is now 11 o'clock but it seems to me it is 7 o'clock or in the morning 7 o'clock. So এখন আসলে এখানে টাইমে 11টা সাড়ে 11টার মতো বাজে কিন্তু তারপরে মনে হচ্ছে যে আমি সকাল 7টায় আছি ask her is it her own business
This is his own business. Our own business.
Anas.
Has.
who is the owner of this shop
Yes.
yes this canteen who is the owner she
What business in business?
business
No.
is it her business
Yeah,
spend
maybe.
money did she spend money
Maybe it's not so.
No, you only make. It's a make. Yes, I spend make.
yeah Malik owner
No, make the
Hmm.
sell that photo.
No. His question is
Maybe
all,
she's
all
the
of
one.
here.
Yes.
This area is for her or any others guys.
No.
Control. Who control? Her.
No, here, only here.
Here.
Control here.
she is the owner
Personal.
she's the owner
Personal.
Personal,
Yes,
personal.
personal. You know, personal.
maybe the other lady she's
Partner.
her daughter maybe
Maybe.
right I believe her daughter
Meat.
This is olive oil.
All üç tane meat.
Olive oil.
Hele yok, hele
Olive
tam
oil.
hazır dur.
Nur. Olive oil. Ha?
Ha, bu pendir.
Bak bu bir tane. Ha?
Ha, bu et var, ikisi et. Bak
Yok
bu.
bu bir tane sayılır.
Ha, bir tane sayılır.
Yarı sayılır.
Yok, bir tane. Onlar ikisi bir tane sayılır.
Hadi o kişi bir tane sayılır değil mi?
Ha, bunlar da ikisi bir tane.
Half. You know, half. Only one.
Ha, gelir dal da gelir.
After come.
Pişsin.
Again half will give
Bu nedir ki?
Tam yatsasını bu
Nerede?
pendirdi.
Bu pendirdi.
No, this oil for olives or
Bu da et.
zaitun?
Ha?
Zaytun.
Ne yaptı
Pendir.
bu? Zeytinyağı.
Yok. Yok, Hristiyan yağı. Hristiyan yağı. Böyle
No,
başka
not
yağı.
the zeytin. Another.
Zeytin yok. Zeytin var. İstiyorsa zeytin var.
You want zeytin?
Varsa istiyorsa zeytin
You
var.
want no problem. Zeytin.
It's okay.
Ha.
It's okay.
Otursun da bu da.
Oturacaq. Ulan şeyini sən töp gətirdin. Hə, az gətirdin çay görə.
করেন না
না এইবার ভেজিটেবল অর্ডার করি
ভেজিটেবল আর ভেজিটেবল আর
Mən ona qoy.
চিজ
শুধু ভেজিটেবলটা করেন
Pişirsin.
ব্রাদার জাস্ট অর্ডার মোর
ভেজিটেবল
3 pieces vegetable
Extra. Now.
again
Hadi 2 dənə də bir şeydən yox, göyərtili istəyirəm.
Yes, give me the name. What is the name of this Shelale?
Yeddi
Yes.
Gozel. Azerbaijan language.
Huh.
Yeddi Gozel.
Yeddi Gozel, huh?
Gozel, yes.
Gozel, Gozel, right.
Yeddi Gozel waterfall. It is a very beautiful waterfall. In size, it is small, not like the waterfall which I saw in Bosnia and Herzegovina. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, you will find very big size of waterfalls and many waterfalls in every city. এই ওয়াটারফলটির নাম ইয়েদি গোজল ওয়াটারফল। এটা আসলে এত বড় ওয়াটারফল না, তবে এটি দেখতে আপনার অবশ্যই পাহাড় চড়তে হবে। তবে এর মাঝ দিয়ে একটা কথা বলে রাখি, আমরা আসার পথে যেই রেস্টুরেন্টে যাত্রা বিরতি করেছিলাম, অবশ্যই আপনারাও সেখানে যাত্রা বিরতি করবেন তাদের আপ্যায়ন উপভোগ করার জন্য।
কিন্তু সব দিক দিয়ে পানি আসছে আস্তে আস্তে। Yes. There is hotel also. The hotel আছে। দেখুন আরো উপরে যেতে হবে। Go up to see this. The other. How long will it take? How many minutes will it take? And the dog are going high, going high. Very high.
wow
Careful, yeah. স্টিয়ারকেস আছে, তারপরও টায়ার্ড লাগতেছে। একদম স্ট্রেট উপরে সাপোর্ট থাকার পর, সাপোর্ট না থাকলে বাট ইম্পসিবল ছিল উপরে ওঠা। How do you go back? Very beautiful, and it's straight down. There is a small hotel also. It's a restaurant for snacks.
This is that waterfall. এই সেই ওয়াটারফল। এতটুকু পর্যন্ত আমরা আসতে পারলাম, এর উপরে যাওয়ার আর কোনো ব্যবস্থা নেই। এখানে ছোট্ট একটি রেস্টুরেন্ট আছে, এখানে বসে ওয়াটারফলটি উপভোগ করা যায়। There is a small restaurant. From this restaurant you can enjoy this waterfall. and you can see the view of waterfall.
Viewers, we're getting down now. We're finished watching. Now we'll go back to car. Final step of going back. Oh, very fresh and cool water and transparent. We are going out. You can buy local items from here. And saffron. Come. This original fruit. Mashallah. Fresh. Fresh. Very good. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, yes. এরা প্রডিউস করে জাফরান এখানে?
না না না।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
How much plus?
It's small, beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. Lela, just I'm. No, wait. I'm doing video, huh? Yes. This is a small fruit market. And very beautiful. All are fresh fruit. MashaAllah, very nice. Fresh. Very fresh. Chamatkar, fresh fruit. All types of fruit. Assalamu alaikum. Mama? Mama? Yes. Ente mama? No, this way. All are very beautiful. It's looking all are red and very fresh. It's local fruit market. Fruit and honey. You will find many honey. Mama. Malish, sorry.
Halva. Acaba işte mamadan alsa insan.
Mama, আমার কাছে নেওয়ার জন্য বলতেছে। They telling like mother, okay, take from mama. আমি বলতেছে মার কাছে নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য। খরিদ করে। সবাই সম্বোধন করতেছে ছেলের মতো।